If you are a content creator and you want to have stunning, beautiful fonts in CapCut, either you want to display as captions or you want to design thumbnails like mine, you see there are a list of thumbnails and I have used a lot of different fonts on my thumbnails. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import custom fonts in CapCut. I had a dedicated video in the past, but the quality of the video was not so good, so I decided to create a new one. So before opening CapCut, what you need to do, just go to thefont.com. If you don't know how to download, you can download families or just an individual font here. You can search by the category, for example, Anton, and here you can download. Just press the download button. After that, go to your Finder or the gallery on your Windows PC and locate this file. I have this folder, and this is Burbank or Anton Archival. These are the fonts mostly I use. Roboto as well. Just double click on any font you downloaded and make sure this is .ttf file. It is already installed, so you can replace or install the new font here. Let's say I want to install this 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒕. Rest of the fonts I have already installed. So double click and go to install. You are done here. Now open CapCut, go to create a new project, import any video to your timeline, go to text and write down the text. I have written this text here. We are testing new fonts. Now go to font under system and locate the font you recently installed. If you don't see this font, then you definitely need to restart your MacBook. And if the features are not showing up, then use a VPN. I have lots of VPN videos in my VPNs playlist. So the name of the font we recently installed is 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒕. Let's go and locate this font in the gallery. If it is difficult to find, then simply search option. And I'm using the updated version of CapCut, so there is a search option. Before, this search option was not there. Just search the name and you will find the font you recently installed. This is 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒕, and now I can design my text according to this font. So you can import as many as you want. If you cannot find your desired font here on thefont.com, simply go to Google, type here, for example, 𝒊𝒅𝒆𝒂𝒂 font download, and you will find a lot of different websites where you can download the whole family of the fonts or simply one font. After downloading, follow the same procedure and you are good to go. In my case, I have installed a lot of different fonts according to my own choice, because some of the fonts in CapCut standalone are pro fonts. So you cannot use if you are not using a CapCut Pro version. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.